What's up, guys? On today's job, I'm going to show you how we repair this cracked up garage floor. We're going to saw cut out this section, jackhammer this out, and then replace it with some reinforced concrete. So we got the concrete broke up pretty good, and if you notice, we jackhammered out around the edges here of each side of the garage door. And the reason we did that is so when we're pulling these slabs out, you know, that part's broken up and it doesn't get hung up. Corey also was over here and he broke this up into some smaller pieces because this section is going to try to get stuck, and you need to be careful with that because you don't want it to press up against your nice edge and cause it to chip or anything. So we ended up finding some larger roots coming along this edge. We can't get that one out because it's mainly under the blacktop, but we got most of it out that was running this way. And then there was another one over here. I still need to clean that soil up a little bit. It's a little loose, but all this side is nice and smooth. You can see Corey's getting a stone in there. We're rocking and rolling. You can see over here, we drilled in these dowels. We went in about 6 to 8 inches, and those are 2 foot on center. So let's check out Corey's form. He's pretty happy with it for a Friday. Dead level.
It's all charity work.
So this board, we set this up to be even with the bottom of the garage door. So we know when the garage door closes, it'll sit flat on the concrete. We couldn't just go off of this existing trim because the door actually came down a little bit lower on this side as compared to the side down there. So this way it'll sit nice and flush, and it'll be sealed, and hopefully no water or anything like that will make its way under the door. Alright guys, here's the finished product. All in all, I think it came out pretty good. It ended up being 3 yards of concrete. We went pretty thick. We were at least 6 inches all the way. There were some spots right here in the middle that were closer to like 7 and 7.5. Well, we tested. We brought our garage door down, and Corey was on the inside, and we looked for daylight. There was no light, so it's sitting pretty flush on the bottom, which is what we wanted. Next thing we're going to be doing is replacing this brick walkway with pavers, so stay tuned for that video. That'll be coming up shortly. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel if you're not already.